Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So this will be our second math tutorial and we're going to be talking about radians and degrees. So in this video I'll be talking about what are radians and how to convert from radians to degrees and degrees to radians. So this is actually a basic portion of trigonometry. So the videos that I'll be posting, we're going to start from the basics and then eventually build up to the more difficult and challenging topics of trigonometry and math as a whole. So I'll also be continuing my study with me with MSA reviewer questions, and if you have any video requests, feel free to message me directly or comment below. Thank you. So let's get started. So what are radians? So radians are a unit of measurement for angles used mainly in trigonometry. It is used instead of degrees. So I took this definition from a math website, and if you would like to access the website, you can click the link from the presentation, which I have already posted on our study group. So if you study better with a PowerPoint with you, feel free to request in the study group and you can download the presentation for free. So a radian is defined by an arc of a circle. So in a half circle or a semicircle, there are pi radians or 180 degrees. In a full circle, there are 2 pi radians or 360 degrees. So how do you convert from radians to degrees or degrees to radians? So there are actually set formulas to do so. So converting radians to degrees. When converting radians to degrees, you follow the formula 180 degrees divided by pi multiplied by the given radian. So let's try it out together. So example 1, pi over 2 radians is the same as, so let's write down the formula, 180 degrees divided by pi multiplied by pi over 2. This gives you 180 degrees pi times 2 pi. So what you can do next is cancel out both pi's and you're left with 180 degrees over 2. So to find the number of degrees in this radian, you just divide both sides by 2 to get rid of the denominator. So that becomes 180 divided by 2, which is 90 degrees. So we can say that 90 degrees is equal to pi over 2 radians. Okay, so that's the formula you use when converting radians to degrees. And of course, when you're converting degrees to radians, there's a different formula. So when converting degrees to radians, you use the formula y degrees times pi divided by 180. So let's try it out. 45 degrees is the same as, so let's write that formula down. So we have y degrees times pi over 180. So we just input 45, so that becomes 45 degrees times pi over 180. And then we get 45 degrees pi, 45 pi over 180. Actually, you can put the degree sign there so that you can cancel out the degree sign so that you can make sure that your answer is definitely a radian in case that helps you with the confusion. So 45 pi over 180. So we can divide both sides actually by 45. So if you divide both sides by 45, 45 pi divided by 45 is just pi, and 180 divided by 45 is 4. So 45 degrees is actually the same as pi over 4 radians. So there you have it. That was our simple and quick tutorial on how to convert radians to degrees and degrees to radians. So if you have any other follow-up requests for tutorials and videos, feel free to message me and I will see you in our next tutorial video. Bye-bye!